This is Series 1, Episode 80. Today is the 6th of October 2021. In the previous episode, 79, I talked about a market sell-off. That was correct. That was on the 28th of September that started. And I still believe we are in a bearish market, at least a corrective market. So I'm not saying jump in. I want to point out a stock that you should add to your watch list. The stock I'm going to talk about is this company, DLocal Limited, ticker symbol DLO. Everything I talk about in this video is for informational purposes only. If you decide to act upon that information, that is your decision. You are responsible for all of your trading decisions. So this is a new company, came to market in June 2021. I believe they're a British company listed on the NASDAQ. They deal in payments. You can do all your own research on the actual company. I'm going to go straight into the technicals so I can show you what I'm seeing. So let me start with a horizontal line, because I want to point out where, if I take this point here and then I explain it for people that are new to the channel or new to trading. I've drawn this line here, this horizontal line, because price was hit this area before here and here, and it was well respected, so it fell away here, came up to it again almost around there, again fell away. So that was a strong area of resistance for price. And often, previous resistance becomes support for price. So I'll explain that in a second. This is where it gets important. Price gaps up here on earnings, on an earnings report. A very positive move straight through that horizontal line, like this. And then you get what is called a flag formation, where price consolidates in a kind of flag. Here's your price action, so it consolidates like this inside a flag formation. But this is where I think you should pay attention, is this bar here. I'm going to highlight it there. It's important, that bar, because that is the flag formation high point. That's where price, the high of all those price bars is there, and you see how this bar pokes through that area. But the important thing, guys, is the market gives clues as to what's happening. So if you go down here, you see volume increasing, which shows that institutions are also looking at the stock at that point, and they were about to break out. It looked like it was going to break out of that pattern on this volume. Now when I saw that, that's why I started to get this on my own radar, and I was thinking, right, I want to get in on this stock. So let me clean this up a little bit. So I talked about that bar there and the volume down there. So I was ready to get in on this. I was looking to try and get in around here, but then I was a bit nervous about the market conditions, because I could see the indices changing direction, and I was right to be nervous because obviously the overall market did change direction, and this stock fell with the market. But look what happened here, guys. I'll explain this in more detail. So price came up here, and then we start seeing selling with the market. But what does it do? It comes down and it gets to this horizontal line. Well, as I said just now, previous resistance, so like a ceiling for price, this was previous resistance, as we saw by these three crosses here, can often act as support as price comes back down. So this is why I'm showing it to you. I'll clean that off. Price comes down, gets to this horizontal line, and then I start paying attention, because I want to see whether or not institutions are seeing that same area that I'm seeing. So I watch price and I see that more selling here. Okay, so it's not ready to buy yet. But then I see this green bar yesterday holding, showing that price is holding at that horizontal line. Now I'm starting to pay interest in the stock. Then today I see follow through. Price is following through, indicating more buying of this stock. I look up the top left hand corner here. I can see that already today we're up 6%. It fluctuates between 5 and 6%, but you can see that there's definitely bullish price action going on here. There's definitely some interest in this stock. So what I'm trying to do for you guys is get this on your radar, at least get it on your watch list, guys, because it could be about to move. I think it's a very, very positive move, this, these are very reliable setups when you get a gap up on earnings. So I want to get it on your radar so you can pay attention. It's up to you if you take the trade. That's completely up to you. If you wanted to get in, say tomorrow, again, up to you. The reason I like it is because you could get your stop loss down here, so you know where your risk is, and then your reward is up here at $70 or higher. So there's the trade idea, guys. Entirely up to you if you act upon it. At least, like I said, add it to your watch list. We are still in a corrective stage in the market, so this definitely carries a little bit more risk for the time being. But I am starting to see bullish behavior across the market, and as soon as I see an overall change in character in the markets, I will do another video. But I want to highlight this stock just so you can get it on your watch list and potentially take the trade. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe, and by all means put a comment down the bottom if you want me to have a look at another stock. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll do another video very soon. Thank you for watching.